Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to play 1v1 with your friends in Brawl Stars. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and launch your Brawl Stars game, and once you're inside there, on the right hand side of the screen you'll be seeing your friends option. Then simply click on it or tap on it, and once you tap on it here you'll be seeing this friend section. Now all you gotta do is simply enter in your friend's player ID and then simply click on add friend, or you can just simply click on share invite and then you can share the link to the friend that you want to invite in 1v1. You can also check the suggested invites by simply typing on suggested invites and the invites that you have gotten on the Brawl Stars. Now once you have done with that, and once you have invited your friend, what you need to do now is just head over to the home screen once again, and then on the top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing this 3 horizontal bar. Simply tap on that, and once you do that, here among the options you'll be seeing the friendly battle option. Simply tap on that, and once you do that, here on the screen you'll be seeing the friendly battle option, and among them you'll be seeing your friend and a couple of bots. Now all you gotta do in order to get it to 1v1 is turn off all the bots, and once you do that, bottom right corner of the screen you'll be seeing these 2 options, that is solo showdown and play. Simply click on solo showdown. Now all you gotta do here is simply select the location that you want to do your showdown. On tapping the location you'll be getting the 2 options, that is solo and duo. Simply tap on duo, and once you do that, here you'll be seeing the duo showdown. Now all you gotta do is click on play, and that's basically how you play 1v1 with your friends in Brawl Stars. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.